8 collagen-rich nuts you must eat. Goodbye, tingling hands and weak legs. Here's something most people never hear from their doctor. Your constant tingling hands, numb fingers, or weak legs might not be just age. It could be a collagen deficiency. Collagen isn't just about skin and wrinkles. It's the protein that makes up your joints, tendons, nerves, and even the protective covering around your muscles and bones. And after 60, our collagen production drops like a rock, which can lead to nerve issues, joint pain, reduced mobility, and yes, even that frustrating sensation of pins and needles in your hands and feet. But here's the good news. You can actually eat your way to better collagen levels, and you don't need fancy powders or supplements. Some of the most collagen-friendly, nerve-repairing, and joint-strengthening nutrients are hiding in everyday nuts. Yes, the kind sitting in your kitchen right now. Today, we're breaking down 8 collagen-rich nuts you must be eating, especially if you're dealing with tingling, numbness, or leg weakness after 60. Let's nourish those nerves and strengthen those legs, one powerful bite at a time. Almonds. Almonds are more than just a heart-healthy snack. They're a powerhouse for collagen support and nerve protection. These nuts are packed with vitamin E, which acts as a potent antioxidant that helps protect collagen from breaking down due to free radical damage. This is critical as we age because oxidative stress increases, weakening collagen fibers and reducing joint and nerve resilience. But what makes almonds especially valuable for seniors is their rich supply of magnesium and B vitamins, nutrients essential for proper nerve function and muscle health. If your hands often feel numb, or if your legs seem to fatigue quickly, it could be due to magnesium deficiency affecting nerve signals. Just a handful of almonds a day can help restore those pathways and support smoother muscle contractions and stronger limbs. Walnuts. Walnuts are often praised for brain health, and rightfully so. But they also play a vital role in collagen formation and inflammation control, especially in the joints and nerves. What makes walnuts unique is their incredibly high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which helps reduce inflammation that breaks down collagen and compresses nerves over time. For older adults experiencing stiffness, weakness, or nerve discomfort, reducing inflammation is the first step to relief. Additionally, walnuts contain copper and zinc, both of which are essential cofactors in collagen synthesis. Without these trace minerals, your body struggles to produce and maintain the collagen matrix that holds your tissues and joints together. Walnuts can be sprinkled on salads, added to oatmeal, or simply eaten raw. Either way, your legs and hands will benefit from their restorative properties. Brazil nuts. If tingling hands and weak legs are becoming more frequent, you might be dealing with inflammation or even early signs of nerve damage. And Brazil nuts might be the secret weapon your body is craving. These large, creamy nuts are the richest natural source of selenium, a trace mineral that supports antioxidant activity and helps repair damaged collagen tissues. Selenium plays a key role in regenerating glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which defends nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, two major culprits behind neuropathy symptoms. What's more, selenium supports thyroid function, which directly affects your energy levels and muscle strength. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can meet your selenium needs and contribute to a stronger, more stable foundation for collagen and nerve regeneration. Cashews. Cashews are a creamy, satisfying nut that offer much more than just flavor. They're loaded with copper, a critical mineral in the formation of collagen and elastin. Without enough copper, your body simply cannot produce strong, flexible collagen fibers, which can lead to weak connective tissue, joint discomfort, and even sagging skin. For anyone over 60, boosting copper intake through foods like cashews is a smart and natural solution. But cashews don't stop at copper. They also provide a healthy dose of magnesium and plant-based protein, both of which are key players in muscle maintenance and nerve conductivity. If your legs feel weak going upstairs or you've been experiencing sudden cramps or spasms, the magnesium in cashews can help regulate those signals and relax tense muscles. Pistachios. Pistachios are often overlooked in the world of nutrition, but they're actually one of the most balanced nuts when it comes to collagen-supporting vitamins and minerals. They contain a powerful combination of vitamin B6, copper, and potassium, which together support nerve signaling, collagen regeneration, and muscle coordination. Vitamin B6 is particularly helpful for neuropathy because it enhances neurotransmitter function, allowing nerves to communicate more efficiently. Copper, as mentioned before, is critical for collagen cross-linking, making the collagen you produce more durable and elastic. And potassium helps prevent muscle weakness and cramping by keeping your nerves firing properly. Pistachios also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts aren't just for chocolate spreads. They're a dense, nutrient-rich nut loaded with vitamin E, manganese, and thiamine, all of which contribute to healthy collagen structure and nerve vitality. Vitamin E, in particular, helps shield your collagen from oxidative breakdown, while manganese plays a lesser-known but essential role in activating the enzymes that form collagen. If your skin feels thinner or your joints feel less stable than they used to, hazelnuts can help by encouraging better collagen turnover. Additionally, thiamine, vitamin B1, supports nerve conduction and muscle control, which are critical if you're dealing with shaky legs or tingling extremities. Hazelnuts have a warm, rich flavor that works perfectly in baked goods, cereals, or even as a hazelnut milk for a collagen-loving beverage. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are one of the richest sources of healthy monounsaturated fats, which not only support heart health, but also help protect your body's collagen network. These fats help reduce inflammation and provide a steady source of energy for cells involved in tissue repair and muscle strength. But that's not all. Macadamias also contain palmitoleic acid, a rare omega-7 fatty acid that is known to support skin regeneration and cellular hydration, both of which are linked to collagen function. For seniors who are starting to notice drier skin, weaker nails, or slower recovery from bruises and injuries, macadamias can help restore cellular elasticity and strength. Pecans. Pecans round out this list as one of the most antioxidant-rich nuts available. High in vitamin A, zinc, and polyphenols, pecans offer a triple benefit for those looking to maintain nerve health and collagen strength. Zinc, in particular, plays a vital role in the formation of connective tissue and wound healing, while vitamin A helps regulate the enzymes that build and protect collagen. If you suffer from frequent joint discomfort, tingling in the limbs, or signs of skin thinning, zinc-rich foods like pecans can help slow down the degradation of these systems and promote healing from the inside out. Their deep, nutty flavor pairs beautifully with both sweet and savory dishes, making it easy to include them in your weekly meal plan. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and share it with someone you care about. It's time to take control of your health, naturally, one bite at a time.